Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, we've got a very special car here. This is our new demonstrator. It's an Audi SQ8 TFSI. We're going to run it for 3 or 4 months. We will list it for sale, so if anyone's interested in purchasing it, we can do like a pre-sale with an agreed mileage. So we'll definitely get it up on the web as soon as it's complete. In my mind, it's one of the most probably underrated cars of the Audi range. So you know, lots and lots of Q8s about, lots and lots of RS Q8s. The SQ8 TFSI sort of just gets lost in the middle a little bit. These particular ones now come through with the TFSI engine, so as standard they're 507 horsepower, and what we're going to do by the time we add the kit, we can take that up to 650 horsepower, so it's actually more powerful than the RS equivalent, and also it's pretty much Urus power. So with that petrol engine, you know, you get loads and loads of specifications. So this particular one we've ordered, it's got the nice kind of sports seats, we've got the Bang & Olufsen, we've got the panoramic sunroof, we've got the 360 vision. So yeah, very nice car in kind of standard trim with the nice extras. So by the time we finish with it, we're effectively competing with that RS model, but you know, much more competitive price. What we'll do, we'll walk over and go through the kit in more detail. So as this one's our demonstrator vehicle, what we're going to do, we're going to actually fit the entire package. The good thing with this particular model, unlike some of the app special editions and things, all of these elements can be done separately. So if it's wheels or bits of kit or exhaust or interior, all of those options are separate. But what we've done, we've basically going to load this one up with the complete and utter package. So the first thing we've got here is some massive 23-inch GR wheels, with 22 as standard on this car. So with a 23-inch, that's going to make a massive difference to the side visual with the black, with the polished lip. That's also wrapped with the Pirelli, we've got Pirelli P0 tyres on this one. We're going to do the apt lowering, so it's a software lowering. We're going to put that on to just bring the vehicle down to a much nicer ride height. We've then got the full aerodynamic kit, so the rear lower diffuser with the rear exhausts, which is really important. We've got the rear wing, we've got the front diffuser, and then we've got those extra front skirt add-ons and flicks to go with that as well. Further down, we've got the power upgrade. So this is the apt power upgrade, which is fitted to this vehicle. 650 horsepower, so massive difference. It takes it way past standard RS and takes it into the Urus power basically. We've also got the interior carbon parts, so these are the seat surrounds, the lower seat surrounds, and also the end of dash, which will finish that off. And then finally what we've done, we're going to put our cool apt number plate on, so obviously when we're out and about visiting dealers, people know who to call to get this conversion done, of course. And then we've got the black badges, so front and rear SQ8, front and rear Audi rings, just to finish off that completely stealth look. You'll see there as well, the exhaust tips are in black, as we said, the working exhaust, so get rid of the chrome exhaust, just to finish off the rear look. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to hand over to Mark. He'll go through the install. We'll take some shots of that, and what we can do is we can do some before and after to show you what it's all about. Okay, so it's just gone 6 o'clock. We're going to call it a day on this build. Guys have had fantastic progress for the day. I had 2 or 3 people on it, on and off between the day, so nearly all complete. All the kit's on now. We've just got the rear SQ8 badges to do. The rear wheels we'll put on the 2-poster ramp. Then what we do is take all these clamps and tape off, get it all sealed up, all polished up. So we'll make another video in about a week's time where we're going to get the car into the sales area, show you it all polished up and ready to go. Then what we will do is get it out on the road. We'll do some driving shots and we'll take it from there. So we'll catch up in the next video where we get to take this out on the road.